Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video we will start by learning about a new iOS concept which is called collection views. So we have already learned about table views. So collection views can be considered as similar to table views in implementing them. So let's create a Xcode project and let's understand how we can build a collection view. So I will create a new Xcode project, single view application, and let's name this collection view. Language will be Swift and device will be universal. Let's save this in my directory. Okay, so Xcode had finished building project for us. So I will choose the simulator to be iPhone 6s, and this is the view controller. I will just clean some code. Okay, now I will go to my storyboard. So I think first I should show you what actually a collection view is. So I will just play this app, and actually this is an empty app right now, but in iPhone there is an images app or a gallery app which shows different images. So that is a collection view. So that is what I want to show you right now. So let's wait till the simulator is opening up. So this is an empty application, so let's close this. And if you see that this is our simulator, and we scroll to left, you can see that there is an photos app in iPhone. If you click it, it will open and it will display different photos. So if you click this photo, you can see that this is a collection view in which there are four images in a single row, and it can be more than that or smaller than that. It's upon us. And so in this way it is shown in a collection view. It is sometimes also called a grid view. So we will just implement this. Okay, so I will go to my main.storyboard and let's start implementing our collection view. So for that we will have to drag collection view from here. Okay, and let's make it to the full size. Okay, done. And now let's add constraints. I will do 0 from every site, and I will add 4 constraints to it. Done. And now this is a cell or an item. Let's make it bigger so that we will display 2 in a row. I think I will modify this to display 2 items. So now let's increase the size. Okay, what is this size? 195 into 153. Okay, so let's change the size. Let's make it 180 into 180. No. Let's make the width to be 170. No. 160. No. 150. Oops. What is this happening? Okay, one more cell. Two widths to be 100, and let's choose the height to be 100. Okay, let's change the width to be 150. I don't know why it is. Okay, let's change height to be 160, let's say. No. 170. No. 180. Let's try 185. Nope. Let's keep 180. I think 182. 183, no, 182 is fine. Okay, let's change the height to be 182 so that it is a square. Okay, so I think we have built the cells, so instead of 2, let's keep it 1. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to give it an identifier as we did in our table views. So I will just give it cell, and it is done. Now what we need to do is we need to create an image view inside our cell. So this is an image. Okay, so what I will do is I will just reduce its size first, and then I will do let's say 2 from the top, 2 from the left, 2 from the right, and 2 from the bottom, and I will add 4 constraints. Okay, so this is done. So now what we need to do is we need to create another class for this item. So I will just right click it and click new class, and I will do Cocoa Touch class and hit next, and it will inherit from UI collection view cell, and it will be called as collection view cell. So create, let's drag this file up here. So now we need to create some connections. Okay, I think first let's change the class, and it should be collection view cell. Okay, it's done. Now let's make some connections. I will hit this button, and let's make the connection for the collection view. It is done. Okay, we only need a single connection. So let's go back to our view controller file. So here what we need to do is we need to inherit something. So it is UI collection view delegate and UI collection view data source. This is same as we did in the table view. Now we will do a collection view dot delegate equal to self, and collection view dot data source equal to self. This must looks familiar to you because this is the same code that we did in the table view. So as you remember that in table view there are 3 functions that we have to implement. So this is same for collection view. So let's do it. Number of sections, we only want a single, so we will return 1. Now there were number of cells in section, but in this there are number of items. So I will return an arbitrary number, let's say 10 for now, and the another function was cell for row at index path in table views, but here it is item for row at index path. Okay, I'm not able to see that function. Okay, it is here, cell for item at index path. Okay, so in here what we can do is if let cell equal to collection view dot dequeue usable cell with identifier, it is cell and it is index path. Okay, as collection view cell, then what we can do is we can do cell dot image view, or which we have not created yet, so we will create it. Just return cell, and if somehow this condition fails, then we will just return an empty cell. Okay, So this is done. So now what we will do is we will set mm, the image view. First we have to create a connection. So from automatic I will go to manual collection view and choose my cell file, and here I will create an outlet for my image view. It should be shall image. Okay, now close this and let's open our view controller file. I'm just building it to check if there are errors. So build succeeded, it means there are no errors. So here I can do it as cell dot cell image dot image equal to, and here we can set the image. So for that, first there are things that we need to do. Why it is showing an error? Okay, so what we need to do is we need to import some images, and as well as we need to create an array which will hold those different images. So we will do that in the next video. Thank you for watching this.